shit. I don't know what we're gonna do this weekend, but we've got our jack stands. So maybe we'll start doing some flip kitten action.
And some spider cats. So we just give Harold a shower. And every now and again, he'll come out and take a little drink. Get something to drink there. I got distracted. I started moving stuff around because I've been having some field mice pop in here in the night time. So I've changed the game. It also gives me a little bit of room up here. Once I get it settled in, we'll get a chance to back up a little further. So hey, I'm kind of getting distracted here, bro. Oh man, you know, seems like I rearrange this every weekend. And I get into all kinds of fun stuff. It's like, what am I doing here? What am I? There she is back in there. I'm not sure if I even said that yet. I had to kind of move it around a little bit to get her where I wanted to. In any case, I'm gonna try to philosophize and theorize and, you know, get this thing jacked up. Alright, now we got that done. Let's go ahead and pre-soak some of these U-bolts and stuff. I may end up cutting them out, but I am going to give them a shot. And then the leaf hanger bolts and the shock mount bolts. Let's do all of that.
Am I wrong? Or does this look like it can fit? So it's a two-piece spider cap. The back plate sits behind the lug nuts, and this spider cap has to make it to the flange here to be connected with Allen heads. But the flange actually comes back to meet it. These don't actually sit flush. It sits like this. What this is telling me is I think these fit. We're gonna see. Maybe I think I made a mistake or something, man. I think these are okay. Does it look like I'm wrong? I think that back plate can go flush against the wheel behind the lugs, and then the spider will make it, because it doesn't have to actually get all the way down, right? It just has to get to there. Because these will flex. These will flex to the lug. It's this part that I'm concerned about, and it actually makes it. Man, I wish I hadn't.
Yeah, I think this just might have become like a little subplot. Let's check and see if I made a spider cap mistake video. Alright, I'm going to bring you in here and get these going. Kind of show you what the struggle was on the other side, but in real time. That's not the way to do it though, Joel. I think I forget my drill over there. Probably. Let's get these started before I go get it. You're like, oh, it doesn't fit. And you're like, why doesn't it fit? Because of the lug nuts. So, come over here with your soft mallet, right? And back this up. Back up. You gotta make up the difference. Now it should all line up. Just do a little soft tappy. Hammer throw here. Do a little pendulum action on this one. Here's the difference. Don't come in here with the hammer. You hear this change? Ourselves a spider kit, spider box, spider cap. Let's get our mallet. And let's do this. Let's figure this out. Good Lord, man.
getting carried away. Flip the script on the cheese. No, no, no. Hand, finger start. Get a couple threads going. Being rude. Feels like my blood sugar is peaking or something. Or not peaking, but crashing or something. Alright, moment of truth. And I was like, oh, it doesn't work. But here's the thing. I was missing this. Backwards. Where are you guys at? Get over here. Ah, no. Ah. All right, fine. Let me bring you in here. Yeah, in this next scene, I'll be taking a giant screwdriver against my better judgment to gain leverage against that back plate. But first, we don't want to really abandon the bapping of skibbities. It doesn't feel like the back did. Here's the thing. I've got 3 of 5 of these on, and I do believe that this one may just be a matter of the angle.
Are you kidding? Oh, I had it. I still had it. It is like a game of operation. There's just, it needs just the slightest back pressure to get it to like assist itself. And it takes the other hand. I have a lot of contact surface happening here.
This is a thing where it just needs more skibbity. Like, oh wow, that changed the parallelogram completely. I just made some massive improvements to the lineup. Yeah, I think I got it right as I ran out of storage. Oh no, don't do that, baby, don't. Dude, please don't strip out, just find your home. It does not like this. It is going. There, it spun just a little freer than I wanted it to at the end there, but we're gonna call that one good. So we'll try this one, final one on the front. I'm about to make a liar out of myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. I'm done. Alright, listen, this is kind of a cool thing here. Check this out. I got spider caps, y'all. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Hey y'all, this is just badass. Honestly, I had quite a bit of trauma or whatever. Trauma, not trauma. I had a lot of stress, man, over this. Over
over if this was going to work or not. Let's get down here in the weeds with it and really give it that once over that it needs. I think I like it, but it's going to have to come down in the back. Spider caps. We did the spider caps, bro. We did them. We did them. We did them.